Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned pickles. First, gather your high-quality ingredients and essential equipment. You'll need fresh, crisp cucumbers, canning jars, and a reliable recipe for your brine. Proper preparation is key to delicious and safe pickles. We'll cover everything from selecting the best produce to the final sealing process, ensuring your homemade pickles are a success. Now let's get our ingredients ready. Start by washing your cucumbers thoroughly under cool water, then trim off the blossom and stem ends. Decide if you want spears, chips, or whole pickles and slice them accordingly. Prepare your flavorings like fresh dill, garlic, and any pickling spices. Cleanliness is crucial, so make sure all your equipment is spotless. Next, we'll create the flavorful brine. In a pot, combine equal parts vinegar and water, along with your pickling salt. Heat this mixture to a gentle boil, ensuring the salt dissolves completely. While the brine heats, pack your prepared cucumbers tightly into clean, hot canning jars. Add your chosen spices, such as dill sprigs, garlic cloves, and peppercorns, directly into each jar. For the final step, carefully pour the hot brine over your packed cucumbers, leaving 1/2 inch of headspace at the top of each jar. Use a non-metallic tool to remove any trapped air bubbles, then wipe the jar rims clean. Place the lids and bands on, tightening them finger tight. Process your jars in a boiling water canner for the recommended time, then cool them completely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.